So now we have to unload our trailer. Got all the new pipes and whatnot to unload it and bring it to the barn. So just start unloading. Well, we started already. Okay, we started the rebuilding stage of the barn now, or rewiring and putting in the watering system and everything. We've got the light line up, has wires in it already too. On that end, he's just connecting them yet to the power on the barn. Obviously off. The power is obviously off. These lights we have in here just with an extension cord from that end. And here they are setting up the water system for that side. These boards here go in the duct from the bottom for ventilation, so that the ventilation system works properly. This is where the air flows in from outside of the barn, from the attic, and then into the barn like that. So that's sort of how far we are now. We have light on this side now. Once again, on this side, my dad's still working with the wiring, and there he's getting ready to chalk line again for another water line up here. So we're getting stuff done. We just got a water line up on that side. One, it looks like they did one on this side already too. Cool. Right now these lights are off because my dad is working with hooking up that side. You can see the bulbs in there now. We got that whole line set up on that end. He's just connecting the last one, and then we're ready to flip the light switch and put it on. Here we've got this soaker line up. On that side it's all the way hanging already. The clips for the line are all on, but there's just not quite enough wire to, or not enough pipe to finish it all the way. So have to use a bit of old pipe, I guess. I'm gonna go feed cows now. So we got the new ventilators here now, and my dad and Peter are putting them in on that end. And the other side, I put them in a few days ago already, and they've got the cable in there ready to open and close them. On this side, need to put in a few more. I'm gonna have to fix a couple old ones because I didn't have enough new ones, but yeah. In here we've got this auger going now, and there's the auger which pulls feed this way and then fills up each feeder. We just turned it on. We're having a bit of issues, but we can't quite figure out yet. And this is how it pours in. And then once it gets full, then it's like if the feeder is full now. And as you can see, the feed line is rising up in the pipe until it fills up till here. Then this is full, and then it just bypasses this feeder and goes to the next one. And it fills them all up like that. And on that end, right there by the last feeder, we have a sensor that once the That last feeder is full and it reaches the sensor, the auger shuts off until the feed drops past that sensor, and then it fires up again and keeps on augering in the feed. Job's done. Ready for pigs. Feed on the floor. We have. Oh, here's the job not done. Can't get it with one hand. Someone else had to do it. Got these recirculating fans. They should work if I turn the switch on. Look at that. Works. Auger worked now. Some miracle it worked. So that side works. All the ventilators work nicely. The fans we need, they work. If everything works, why not get pigs in here? That's what we're going to do on Friday. And I believe I will YouTube that so you will be able to see us, what we do to get the pigs in. So just wait for that. Those auger motors set up, everything. All the penning in. Looks like a barn again.